Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk through how to turn on camera and microphone use app icon badges for Chrome. This is a simple and quick way to stay aware anytime your phone detects that Chrome has used your camera or microphone. It helps give you a little extra peace of mind, so let's get started. First, grab your phone and head straight into your settings. This is where all the main controls for your apps and notifications are located, and it's the starting point for this setup. Once you're inside your settings menu, scroll until you find the option called Apps and then tap on it. This is the section where you can manage permissions, notifications, and other behaviors for all of your installed applications. From here, locate and tap on Chrome. This will open Chrome's specific settings, which is exactly where we want to be, to customize how its notifications behave. Next, tap on Notifications. This is the place where you decide how Chrome alerts you, and from here we can dig deeper into the categories available. Now select Notification Categories. Think of these categories as individual toggles that let you control different types of alerts for Chrome. This is an important step because the feature we're looking for is tucked inside here. Inside the notification categories, look for camera and microphone use. Tap on it, and you'll land in the settings that specifically deal with alerts when Chrome is using either your camera or your microphone. Finally, toggle on app icon badges. Once this is turned on, you'll begin to see a helpful visual indicator right on Chrome's app icon whenever it uses your camera or microphone. And that's it. Simple, clear, and quick. You've just enabled a feature that makes it much easier to stay informed about when Chrome is accessing important parts of your device. By having the badge pop up, you no longer have to guess what's running in the background, because your phone keeps you in the loop automatically. If you follow these steps, you'll always have an easy way to monitor Chrome's camera and microphone activity, giving you an extra layer of awareness and control on your device.